Videotaping.
Oh, no. And then look straight up above you. Back up there. Right here.
Oh, oops. Holy shit. Where'd all these papers come from? Car. Glass everywhere. What? Here's my windshield. Beautiful. Woo! That tree is literally about to fall on me. I see why they told me to go take the pictures now. This shit's freaking scary. This tree's seriously about to like fall on me. And I just can't get a good view of it. Okay, anyways. This is the tree that did fall over. Alright, I'm getting the fuck out of here. Okay, they said there's a hole in the gazebo. The hole. It's over there. Flapping in the wind. Ready? Can't see it yet. It's just there. I told them I'm gonna have to go over there. Oh, there it was. Look at these trees just dancing. They're actually freaking huge trees. Alright. Anyways. This happened. Holy shit! I was just getting sprayed with water. I keep looking in the camera and it doesn't look as vicious as it really is. But I think I'm gonna go inside for my own safety. Holy shit. I don't know if you can tell how drastic it really is, but I'm actually scared sitting right here. Especially after what just happened to my car. Oh, happy motherfucking hump day. Sorry about my language. But I was woken up to my car alarm going off because a damn tree landed on it. On the bright side, I get a new car. Good thing I didn't have school today. Alright. Where my Mac is where my head was. And that's where the tree snapped. If it would have blown the other way, our house would be a pretty hit, I'm sure. And I probably would have been stuck. That's a possibility. Who knows? But I'm okay. It's like 10 feet. It starts at the freaking root. You see that? Well, probably not because of the screen, but yeah.